Into this session, we are going to discuss about the polyline. The polyline is one kind of a line, but it's a union of the different lines. So first of all, I will give you the difference between line and the polyline. So for that, I'm using the line command and draw one rectangle, and I'm using the polyline command and draw another rectangle. And then we see. First, I'm using the line command, L, enter, or you can directly go here, a line, select it and draw the rectangle. I'm using the rectangle uh, width is 50 and complete it. So here I'm draw not a rectangle, sorry, I'm draw a one square by using the line command. Now I use the polyline command. It is the same method as you can specify the length as well as the angle by pressing the tab command. Five zero 180 and then go back to the origin. As you can see, I draw a two square. The left one is by using the line command and the right one is by using the polyline command. So what is the difference between that? So first, when I select the first square, okay, as you can see, this entire square was prepared by the four different line. That means the individual line have a different identity. This line having the 50 length and the 0 degree. This line having the 50 length and 190 degree. If I'm selecting this line and I delete it, then it will be possible. That means this individual line having the different identity. But what about this right side square? Right side square is prepared by the polyline. When I select any of the single line, as you can see, the entire square is automatically selected. Why? Because it is the one kind of a union of the four line. That means when you using the polyline and try to draw any object, at that time the number of line, a number of segment of the line will behave like a single unit. I will show you again. I am using the polyline. I select the first specific point, second point, then third point, and then fourth point. As you can see, I draw a one arbitrary triangle which have some kind of a dimension and angle. But as you can see, when I select this, any of the single line, and it automatically select the entire object. So this is the difference between line and the polyline. How to draw the any object by using polyline? It is similar like a line. For example, first go to the polyline, specify the first point, then give the dimension, it's a 60, and then press the tab and specify the angle, it's a 0. Now give the 60, specify the angle 30, enter, escape. As you can see, I will draw a one angle or two segment of the line by using the polyline. It is so easy. Thank you.